Tara, the furniture about which you asked in your letter was done a week ago, and it will give us great pleasure to have it sent to you at once. If you will tell us where you wish it sent, I do not think we can deliver it sooner than Monday because it is not possible to get it packed properly today. We had a suitable packing case, but it was used a few days ago, and I have not been able to replace it since. If you must have it tomorrow, I shall pack it as well as I can, but I do not like to let it go out without proper packing. At any rate, please write us that you wish to have done with it, and we shall have our shipping department comply with your wishes. Tara, I always like to please a customer, but at the same time, I advise my customers that first class work takes a certain length of time. I can be hurried to some extent, but after that, it will be spoiled by haste. I am sorry to say that a great deal of the trouble we have had with our customers has been caused to a great extent by trying to do in a day or two what should be done in a week or two. That is to say haste and waste to hand in hand. Tara, once in a while it may be possible to rush a job without spoiling it, but as a rule, it is out of the question. Customers do not realize truth of this statement. Yours faithfully,